What's good with everybody? Y'all see I'm opening up the vlog, man, walking out the house. As you can tell by the thumbnail, we got a special video today, man. I'm all about giving back. I've been doing it for years. I don't record it all the time. The last time I recorded a video of me giving back was 3 years ago. But I do it every year. I've been doing it before that. Even when, you know, I wasn't at the level I am financially now, I still did what I could for people, cause you know, it just make people day, man. And I do it all throughout the year. I don't do it just Christmas time. I do random acts of kindness when it follow my heart. I might be in line, I might pay for somebody food at a restaurant or something, or you know, I might just give somebody money, or my change I get out the dispenser or whatever, the self checkout, I might give somebody little stuff like that. So I'm about to get on the road. I got a lot of errands to run too, but I'm finna go to my hometown. We finna hop in the old Coyote right here. Finna hop in the old F-150. I got some content coming, man. I'm gonna get on this truck next year. Hey y'all, I gotta call my cousin. He always help me. Every time we do these videos, he always help me. So if he gonna pick up, my cousin with the cutlass, so. No, this man ain't still asleep. Tell the man early bird catch the worm, man. 11:17, he'll call me back. Won't catch it on camera, but oh well. Alright y'all, checking back in after y'all, man, really it been about 2 hours ago. 2 hours delayed back basically, man. I got stuck in the yard at the house, man. I parked this truck in the yard, man. I got stuck. Ground super wet, been raining 2 days. Hey, I should have filmed it. I could have gave y'all a good laugh and y'all would have had some great entertainment. But man, it wasn't on my mind. I was frustrated. I'm like, God, boy, everything trying to happen today. The tire was flat on the Monte Carlo. The 2006. Hold on, I'm trying to get it brighter. The 2007 Monte Carlo. The tire was flat, so I had to get that took off and all this stuff, man. So I'm about to go in the bank. The reason I'm checking in now, cause man, I go in the bank often or whatever, so you know when you go in the bank all the time, you get familiar with the tellers and all of that. So it just hit me. I'm like, I'm doing good deeds today. I'm finna go to Walmart, do something, man, do something for some people. But I might try to buy all the tellers lunch or something. You know, I'm probably gonna throw in $10 or something like that, but I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to record it and catch it. So that's why I'm checking in now. So if I can record it, y'all will see it. If I can't, I'll just check back in and tell y'all how it went. So stay tuned in. Alright y'all, look, we checking back in the truck from the bank. I couldn't do it, man. It wasn't nothing but 2 tellers, but they couldn't, as I figured, they can't accept, you know, money. There's a lot of places, a lot of workplaces like that, they couldn't accept money, man. But I wanted to buy them lunch. I was gonna give them $10 each or something, you know, buy them lunch. But like I said, they can't accept it, so that was that. But I tried. But I'm about to go pick up my cousin. Now the one, y'all know, little crazy whips addiction. A lot of y'all subscribe to him, man. I appreciate y'all for that too. I'm gonna put it on the screen right now. Go subscribe. But I'm about to go pick him up, and he gonna be my cameraman for this, and we about to go make some people day, man. So stay tuned in. I just pulled up at my cousin house. Y'all see that grown man right there? So he coming out. We about to get ready to go shoot these videos and do this stuff, man. They be my cameraman. Always with me all the time. Cuzzo, what it do?
What it do? What's going on?
Yeah, y'all know, y'all see him, Cuzzo. There's him right there. Go subscribe to the channel. It's below on the screen right now. So y'all make sure you go check him out. But we about to get to Walmart and go do some good deeds. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all look. So we at Walmart and about to go in here. I don't know. I'm just gonna do what I do. That's all I'm saying. I don't have no plan or nothing. I got this out right here. So I got this. I'm gonna spread this out. Like I said, I'm gonna spread all this out. I got small bills and stuff too. But I'm gonna spread all this out, and not all of it in here, but I'm gonna take it to, might go to Waffle House too, cause my wife gave me a good idea about, you know, sometimes the Waffle House, like me and my cousin just talking too, yeah, sometimes they do have good days with tips. but that's how they mainly get paid. But then you have them slow days too. So I'm going Waffle House, man. I might look out for them too. And I thought about Will, man. Will always looking out for me and stuff. Y'all don't be thinking I get stuff free. I don't get stuff free. I pay for stuff, but I'm just saying, man, he always there when I need him. If I call him out and I can't pull up, he'll go ahead and put the order in, stuff like that. You know, I appreciate it. So, and I've been knowing Will for a long time. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go buy Little Caesars or something, pick up 3-4 pieces, and take them by the store and some 2-liter drinks and stuff, and drop them off, man. You know, him and the workers and stuff, they have something to eat. So I'm just gonna spread it out today. So y'all stay tuned in to this video, man. We about to make some people day. Alright, y'all, look, taking in store. I'm trying to come up with a game plan. It's a lot of people in here. I don't know how I'm gonna go about this, but I might just swing it or whatever. I don't know, man. Just start helping people. Cause it ain't about, I'm not looking for nobody in need. I mean, everybody in here last minute shopping. So I don't know. We just I'm finna find some people, kind of communicate with them. What I might do is I might probably just buy one thing off the person Christmas list or something like that. So let's go find somebody. What you got left to pick up?
Oh, we just now starting. I gotta get, yeah.
Okay. But, all right. Well, look, I definitely want to help you out. So I'm a YouTube. I do YouTube.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. So, I'm not trying to get in your business. What you looking to spend for the drink for you?
With all of them, I got a bunch of them. I'm trying to keep it around $100 while I'm here tonight. Yes, sir.
All right. So, what I want to do then?
Are you serious?
Serious. I do it every year. I mean, I never get the kitchen on camera. I just do random acts of kindness all the time.
Wow, man.
I want to spread it this time. So.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. You're so blessed. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
God bless you.
You too.
Thank
you
you.
too.
All right. Tell them thank you, Ellie. Thank you so
welcome.
much.
All right, y'all have a Merry Christmas.
Yes, you too.
Okay.
Merry Christmas. God bless you.
You too. Look, we taking in. Y'all saying we just help one person, man. He real grateful. That's why I got my cousin right here, cause he good at spotting people out too. But it's harder than you think, man. It's harder than you think. Finding somebody, you know, you just try to let your heart move you on the right person and stuff. So, you know, I'm still scanning the perimeter and all of that and seeing what I can find and what I can do. So, y'all stay tuned in, and we just gonna keep it rolling around the individual. So, if it's okay with you, I like to take care of your stuff. If that's fine with you.
Yeah, I'm in shock. Well, thank you.
It's from the heart. It's from the heart. So what were you looking to spend?
For her?
Yeah.
Oh, she wants some bunny slippers too. If we could find those, then
Bunny slippers?
Yeah.
You think with $50 to help out?
Yeah.
Would. Alright.
I'm in shock. What's your name?
Justin?
Justin?
Yep.
God bless you.
You too.
You have a Merry Christmas.
I hope you do too. I hope this helps.
It does.
There you go.
Thank you. Let me give you a big hug. Thank you. You're so sweet.
You're welcome.
And God bless you again and
God bless
again.
you too. I hope you have a
I
Merry
think your
Christmas.
hand's already pressed.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Yeah, I mean, if y'all wanna what I do, I'm Justin.
Myra.
Joseph.
Myra.
Myron.
Myra.
Okay. All right. Look. All right. What I do is I'm gonna hold y'all up and you guys can shot. And I appreciate you giving me this too, because I really want to. But
Did you want me to say anything?
no, not at all, not at all. This is purely.
This live right here.
Yeah, it just.
Well, hello, YouTube.
Nah, it just spread the positivity. It's all it's good. I normally don't even have camera.
Thank you.
Christmas
Like I
Day,
said, I
we should
apologize
love
for being
everybody.
Nah, it's fine.
standoffish, but
I understand. I completely understand.
I don't have my bag in here neither.
Yeah. So I can throw it in the bucket. Let me throw this in the bucket for you.
I got it.
We gotta put it in
You gotta
there.
put it in here. You can't ride that around the store.
Look. You gotta be good, man. You gotta listen to everything, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, he very smart. Usually. sitting over here trying to get the chicken bake. I really don't want to.
All right, y'all. So look, we wrapping up at Walmart. I helped 4 people out. So I'm about to actually go over to Waffle House now and help them people in there. Then we're gonna stop by Will. And I'm gonna kind of, like I said, get pieces for everybody, AutoZone and stuff, cause Will do a lot for me. But overall, I'm satisfied here in Walmart. Like I said, the people real grateful and all of that. So we're gonna move on to the next destination. All right, so look, we're at Waffle House now. I was gonna do the check-in outside, but it real windy, so I ain't want to do that. But show y'all where we at. We here. I know it bright. Let me get it straightened out. I know it bright, and this is. Let me see. I'm gonna show y'all where we at. Say I really giving this money away, but this is how much left. I done gave away $200 some, and this little stack of 5 probably finna get gone. But I gave away $200 some in Walmart. About that bike. That bike was 100. The little boy, man, what I like about it, the little boy was real grateful. Like, he was real grateful. The mama was grateful and stuff. And hey, everybody that was helped in there, man, they was real appreciative. And I mean, that's what it's about. I don't go looking for people that need it all the time, cause sometimes it's still hard to pinpoint who need it. I just give from the heart. I mean, you know, whether they need it or they do the right thing with it, that be on them. But I just give from the heart, and you know, I don't go searching for certain people all the time. That's just how I roll. But I'm about to go in here, cause like Waffle House, like I said, they really make money on tips mainly. But it's just the thought that count, man. I mean, I don't want nobody watching this video saying you should have helped this and that. It's the thought that count. You just give to people in the world, period. You know, you just help people, period. So we about to slide on in here, and I'm glad it's slow. So we're gonna slide on in here and make it happen.
Come here to go.
How many of y'all work?
He's just got off the clock. That's our manager. And it's me, him on the floor, and our cooks in the back.
Y'all got one cook in the back?
Yeah.
4, 5. Thank you.
Jay.
Thank you, my guy.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you, my guy.
Yes.
The camera crew, is MTV or BT? I do YouTube for a living, for real. Oh, word? Yeah, I just help people out, but I normally don't get stuff on camera. And the last time I caught stuff on camera was 3 years ago. I want to put a video up and try to encourage people to do the same. That's a great thing. I watch that on TV all the time on YouTube. Thank you, appreciate that. Get it. It's better to get than receive.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Wow. Yeah, I just want to do stuff like I just came from Walmart and stuff. Just help different people and all that. God's gonna bless you tremendously for doing this. I'm already big. I mean, I know. I want to get back. I'll do the same every day. I hope y'all have a Merry Christmas. You too. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Y'all order. Y'all order. Gotta take care of it right here.
Yeah, man.
All right, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Man, we appreciate that.
And Christmas, whatever. I've been doing stuff all day for free. Now that I telling people on the vlog, I appreciate you a lot.
You ain't got to do all that, but that's what we're here for.
Yeah,
Family.
exactly. But I want to get this for y'all free though. I mean, I don't know how many people working, but I want to bring this in.
We thoroughly enjoy it, man. I appreciate it, man. They'll be here till 9 o'clock tonight.
Oh, well, yeah. All right, it worked out good then.
Miss Lisa, Miss Lisa on camera, shit like that.
Yeah, y'all know I love this stuff, man. All those on Monroe Georgia, look, like I said, on every camera, every video, go to the website and shop with the Monroe Georgia stuff. They shipped everywhere.
Good. Who was wrong in?
Yeah, man, I appreciate everything y'all do for real, man.
Oh man, you didn't have to do that.
Yeah, I said it's the least I can do.
Hey, this is Cody. He's a commercial sales manager.
Yeah, they Cody.
Come see him. Come set you up an account.
He gets you right too. Everything. Cody and Will. Y'all holler at them, man. They'll take care of you. And look, I know y'all watching I know y'all watching all over for real. Go to AutoZone.com, the Monroe, Georgia store. They will ship. So, well, yeah, I
Come
did.
see us. Appreciate it, bro.
Oh yeah, no problem, man. No problem.
What up, Cameron?
All right, what's good, y'all? I'm back at the house, in the office now, and man, it was an amazing day. It was truly an amazing day for real. I love giving back, man. I know it's not car related, but I feel like it needs to be out there to the world, cause like I said throughout the video, I always been giving back. Even before I was on YouTube, I would always do something for people around Christmas time, and as my YouTube grew and my financial status grew, I just started doing stuff for people just out of the blue, you know, just random acts. I do the stuff all throughout the year, but I'm not, since I'm publicizing this, basically what I'm saying, I'm doing it for the right reason. I hope this video moves somebody else to do something good for somebody, you know, cause I don't get nothing out of this. I mean, I'm not about to get into tax deductions or nothing of this. I can't write none of that stuff off, but it feels good, you know, when you help people or whatever. Cause I do a lot off camera. I really do. I honest to God do. I do a lot off camera, but it feels good when you help people or whatever, you know. And it felt good today to see people genuinely smile and really appreciate the gestures and stuff that I did. And you know, some of the stuff was just spur of the moment that I did that wasn't planned or whatever. So I hope everybody really enjoyed this video for real, and I hope it pushed some of y'all to go do something positive for somebody or give back, or you know, whatever you can afford to do, whether it's giving your money or giving your time, you know, or just telling somebody something nice or whatever. So yeah, man, I've been wanting to catch it on film, cause it's been 3 years. It's been 3 years since I even recorded me doing something like this, cause last time I did a video like this was like 2016. It was on the vlog channel and I put it on my Facebook. But yeah, man, I hope, man, I know the focus ain't my bad. Hold on, I'm trying to take the focus. But, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this, man, and, more content on the way. We still got the box build going. There's a lot of stuff on the way, y'all. Like I say, man, it's just been a good day. It's been a real good day, and I'm trying to make sure I didn't leave nothing out today, out of this video, but I don't know, man. I'm just thankful. I'm just thankful for everything and for everybody. And I just love people, period. You know what I'm saying? I got a loving heart. I love people. So that's it, man. I'm out. Gonna get stuff put together. Oh, I like to throw this out there. Like I said, the day started rough. The day started rough for me. I mean, I'm not a person getting in a bad mood. I was cool. It was alright. Like I said, one of my cars, tire flat. Outside, I was like, alright, gotta get that changed. The truck got stuck in the yard in the mud, delayed time, pushed everything back. But, you know, when you trying to do something good, y'all know who will always try to stop you. But not today. Not today, not never. So, yeah, man, just thank God for all the blessings. For real, very thankful. Very thankful, young man. And, hey, all I can say, I hope y'all enjoyed the video once again, man. And that's it. This is J Malcolm. I'm out.